ayah, Ayatul Kursi. It is taken from the long chapter from Holy Quran, Surah Al-Baqarah. This was describing the qualities and attributes of Almighty Allah. This solar verse carries lot many of specialities. Even Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Quran is a great word, and Surah Al-Baqarah is the leader of the Quran. Surah Ayatul Kursi is the leader of Surah Al-Baqarah. Coming to the translation, Allahu la ilaha illahu, Allah, there is no God but He, Al-Hayyu Al-Qayyum, the living, the eternal. La tawkhuduhu sinatun wala nawm, neither slumber nor sleep overtake Him. Lahu mulkus samawati wal ard, unto Him belong whatever is on the heaven and whatever is on the earth. Man dalladhi yashfa'u indahu illa bi'idhnihi, who is there can intercede except His permits. Ya'lamu ma bayna aydihim wa ma khalfahum, He knows what before or after or behind them. وَلَا يُحِيطُونَ بِشَيْءٍ مِّنْ عِلْمِهِ إِلَّا بِمَا شَاءَ, nor shall they compass nothing of His knowledge except as He wills. وَسِيَ كُرْسِيُّهُ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ, His throne do extend over the heavens and over the earth. وَلَا يَعُودُهُ حِفْظُهُمَا, nor can He feels no fatigue in preserving and guarding them. وَهُوَ الْعَلِيُّ الْعَظِيمُ, He is the sublime, the tremendous. Let us inshallah recite, make it a habit of recitation and